Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, exercise 1.1, question number 5. So the question is simplify in the form of a plus b iota. So let's start with question number 1. Okay, that is 9 plus iota power 6. So in all questions, students, question number 1 till question number 6, what we have to do is we know that iota square is equal to -1. Okay, so we have to go for this one for every question. So here we are having 9 plus iota power, it is 6. Okay, so let's solve this question in same way. That is, what you will do is 9 plus, first of all, write like this, iota square, then with which number we will multiply so that we will get power 6. So obviously 2 times 3 is 6. So here we will write what? 3. So in next step, student, we will put 9 plus iota square is equal to -1. So here we will be apply this phenomenon. Okay. So cube. Okay. So 9, it will be -1 because square absorb -1, but the odd one, keep it as it is. So 9 minus 1 is equal to what comes, student, here? 8 is your answer. Okay. So here we can see this one 8 is our answer. Okay, so in all the question we have to do the same thing. Okay, so let me try another question. Number 2 is same, 3 is, let me go for third one, that is iota power 4 minus 13 into iota. Okay, so here again, what we will do, we will make iota square first because we have only the value of iota square. Okay, minus 13 iota, it cannot be solved further. Okay, so iota square is equal to what? -1 power 2 minus 13 iota. Fine, and then it will make it even, 1 minus 13 iota. So further it cannot be solved, students. So it is our answer. Question number 4, part number 3, this one, 1 minus 13 iota. Fine. So rest of the question are same. You just have to apply this identity. Okay, iota square is equal to -1. As far as if we will move toward question number, so try all the questions. Okay, I am not going to solve all the questions, but you have to do all. Okay, so question number 4, let's say, because the concept is same, students, iota power 5 plus it's 21 and iota. Again, now here what we will do is to break this into like that, iota power 4 dot iota power nothing, we can write here 1, 21 iota. So again, iota 2 time this like this, and here is iota power 1, you can write, if not it's also fine. So 21 iota it is, and then iota square is equal to -1 times square, then time iota plus 21 iota it is. Then here it will become what? It will become 1. 1 time iota is iota plus 21 iota. So it will become 22 iota. So that's our answer, students, for question number 4, this one. Okay, so I hope these questions are clear to you. Okay, try to solve remaining parts. If you feel any difficulty, comment, I will solve remaining part. Okay, now let's move to question number 5. That is, what is the question? Divide and simplify in the form of a plus b iota. Before entering to this part, students, there is a concept. What is that? We read that one is rationalization. Okay, let me just remove it so that we will solve, because it is also recorded. Okay, so let me just remove all this, and we will first learn the concept, that is rationalization. Okay, what is rationalization? Very easy concept, but we have to pay attention so that we will understand and we will be able to solve questions by ourselves. Again, student, from the first day I told you, try to solve, learn the concept and try to solve by yourself. This will help you to solve your question in exams. Okay, so let me take this properly here, this one. Okay, so let me write one question. Okay, question number 5, part number 1. We have to write a plus b iota. It means one must be a real part and second must be iota part or imaginary part. So question number 1 it is, and part number 1. What you will do, students, just write the question very clearly, minus 4 iota. First step. Then what you will do, 3 divided by 4 minus iota times. You will multiply conjugate. What is conjugate of 4 minus iota? Conjugate means, students, you will apply a bar here, okay, above it, and you will change only imaginary part sign. Here was what? Minus. Here was minus this one, and we have changed it into plus. This you have to do. This is meaning, this is what is conjugate. So now 4 plus iota divide by 4 plus iota. Fine. Okay, now multiply 3 nominator with nominator. Okay, and denominator with denominator here, like that. Okay, 4 plus iota. Then, students, what you will be having, 3 times 4 is 12 plus 3 iota. Fine. And then it is a, this is the formula, a minus b, a plus b. That is equal to a square minus b square. Fine. So here nominator cannot be solved further because one is real and one is imaginary part. But as far as denominator is concerned, 4 times 4 is 16 minus iota square. So here it will become 12 plus 3 iota divided by 16. Iota square is again minus 1. Here it will become minus 1. And the next step, 12 plus 13 iota divided by what? 17. So lastly, what we can do is 12. You have to separate real. This one is whole real. Plus this is the rule, student. One denominator you can split into two forms, right? So here, this is your complete answer for question number 5, part number 1. Question number 5, part number 1. It is 12 divided by 17 plus 13 divided by what? 17. So here, students, mistakenly it is written 3. So here we are having 13. Okay, as we have here we have mistake. Here it is 3 iota. Okay, it is not 13 iota, it is 3 iota. Here we have mistakenly right 13. So it is 3 iota. This is the answer for this question number 5, part number 1. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, so remaining all parts we have to do with the same one. Let me try to do another part so that will clear you the concept of this rationalization. Okay, so kindly do comment that these questions, these concepts are clear to you or not. Okay, so again, okay, so question number uh this one we can try, 3 minus iota into under root 5. Okay, so here again we will write the question. Okay, so part number 3 it is 3 minus iota under root 5 divided by 3 plus iota under root 5. Here you can see the conjugate of this will become, denominator sign we will change, 3 minus iota under root 5 divided by, here it will be as it is. Okay, but here we will change its sign. It will become minus iota time under root 5, and here 3 minus iota under root the 5. Okay, fine. So now we can see the denominator are having the same values. Okay, same values, a minus b, a minus b, same values as it is. So we can uh, take their square. Here I can write this next step 3 minus iota into this one whole square. Okay, whole square. But here we can see again a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus iota under root 5 into whole square. Fine. So this is what we get after multiplying the conjugate with that term. Okay. Now uh, let's solve this. So here we can apply a minus b whole square. So what we will do is a square plus iota under root 5 minus 2 times a into b. Okay. Then denominator will become what? A square means 3 times 3 is 9 minus this under root will cancel this one. Okay. So 5 and this will apply on both. Okay. On iota as well. So it will become iota square. So next 3 times 3 is so students here what we will be having 3 times 3 will become 9 and it will be applied here plus 5 iota square minus 2 times 3 is 6 under root 5 into what? Iota. And in here we will be having by putting iota square minus 1, 9 plus 5, that will become 14, right? Then here we will be having again this concept 9 minus 5 minus 6. Here it is 6. 6 under the root 5 into iota. 9 minus 5 is, students, you know that it will become what? 4. So 4, we will again separate this denominator in both sides as we have done in previous question, divided by what? 14. So both are even numbers, so you can cancel out this one like this, and you can write 2 by 7 minus 3 under root 5 iota divided by what? It will become also 7. Okay, so both side you will cancel out. So this was question number 5, part number 3. This one is your question, this one. Okay, so this is the correct answer. So I hope you understand how to solve these all questions. The majorly students rationalization concept we have done here in question number 5. Okay, uh rest of the questions are same, just do solve like this way. Okay, and as far as question number 5 is concerned, let me give you a hint for this one, and remaining you try by yourself. It will be easily solved by you, inshallah. Okay, so see question number. Okay, question number that was 4. So what you will do in part number 4 is just write like this 2 plus 7 iota divided by here a real part is not given, so you can write 0 plus 5 iota. Okay, and then the next step what you will do 0 minus 5 iota and 0 minus 5 iota. Do solve it like that, it will give you an answer. Okay, so these two questions, student, 9 and 10 part are in extra, you can say that square term is given. So what we will do, don't worry to don't need to worry about that one. So what we will do is first simplify this one square term, 1 plus iota power 2. Okay, so you will get the again the initial terms. Okay, a square means 4, b square is 4 iota square plus 2 into a into b. A is this one, 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 is 8 iota. Okay, and then a square plus b square. A square is 1, b square is iota square plus 2. 2 into a is 2, into b is 2 iota plus 2 iota, it will become fine. Okay, so here what will become 4 minus 4, and you know the magic here, this I have applied. Okay, so plus 8 iota, fine. Then again 1 minus 1, same way. Okay, 2 iota. Minus 4 plus 4 plus 1 minus 1, and here 8 iota by 2 iota. Iota will be cancelled, and here it will become 4. So you have seen, student, the question was looking like a very difficult and dangerous, but its solution gives us a Simple answer. That was question number uh, 10. So here you have. So sometimes the question looks like they are very difficult and very dangerous like that. So when you will try to solve, that will become, see, 1 step, 2 step, 3, 4, and 5 step question. So try to solve these remaining part, students, the same way, okay, and try to complete this exercise. Okay, next we will start, inshallah, a 1.2. I hope you have enjoyed and you have learned all these concepts. Do comment. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.